Hello, everyone. Today we're going to organize my pots and pans cabinet. And I'm afraid Lilac is going to do something over there. This item actually doesn't even belong in there. I'm going to wipe it out with a nice clean, slightly soapy washcloth in a minute. Oof. Onion stuff. These look like they need to be cleaned. I think Henri. Alright, I'll be right back. What is that? Is this like a little plastic piece? Ooh. I think my floor is cleaner than this. What is going on here? Oh, it's because this cabinet is basically my stove, so anything that falls in. Like any liquid, any little bits and pieces, it all comes down through here. Whew. Alright. These guys back. We don't use them a whole lot. Oh, I need to clean that side first. Dang it. Oh yeah, this one needs to be cleaned. Anyway. I've got my robe underneath me because my knees aren't going to be able to survive this floor. It's like all little spaghetti noodle bits. That's all it is. These little spaghetti noodle bits. Sorry, now I'm in the way of the cam. Maybe I could picture it. Just let you see what's going on here. I don't know. Oh, maybe that works. Now I know for next time. Now, I'm gonna put this back on this side. Oh, I got cards. Somehow. Aha! Did it. Totally did it. Looks so much better. We got it going on. But all that came out of there. I don't know if it focused right. I don't think it focused right. All right. Well, that's that. Have a good day.